We're out here in front of Chef's Table on Babcock.
Nice to meet you.
Where are we?
We are basically in the middle of Babcock Boulevard in Ross Township. Everybody's welcome at Chef's Table. My grandmother was a professional cook. She was the best cook in our neighborhood, best cook in our family, best cook in our community. Growing up, our friends came there and it was just always open. And that's kind of where Chef's Table came from. It's a comfort thing and everybody's welcome at the Chef's Table.
Steak Watson, sir. Steak Watson. House steak sale. House steak entree.
We do a modern American. We do food that's familiar, but it has a little bit of a twist. I was a private chef for a couple athletes. Jerome Bettis, I was his private chef for a couple years. Antonio Brown, I was his private chef. The last year he played football here, and a couple other guys, I don't want to name them, but they were a bank president and a newspaper owner.
What's it like being a private chef? Is that super demanding?
It was kind of cool. I would call them on the phone, ask them what they wanted for dinner, and they would tell me what they want. I'd shop for whatever their ingredients were. Clients, we literally became family.
I had the special, the steak Watson. I had my steak medium, incredible, with the mushrooms, onions, potatoes. Incredible. Chef's magnificent. They're like family. So every time I come here, I want to bring people here to experience. Yeah, it's a great place.
Do you think that translates into having your own restaurant, like that type of experience and that individual care?
For me, every table here is kind of like its own little dinner party. We call it touching the table and just see how they're doing. And at the end of the night, hopefully they've made a really good memory. What we're trying to do is to bring a little different flavor to Ross Township. I think, for example, Lawrenceville doesn't need another restaurant like this. So we're bringing a restaurant that you might find in Lawrenceville to here.
I got the steak sandwich and seafood chowder.
I got seafood chowder and the scallops. They were awesome. Come try and support a local North Hills establishment.
The mission here at the restaurant, we're going to feed one shut-in senior a month. As a small business, that's what we can afford to do now. We're going to grow that into maybe 5 people a month or 10 people a month. Something that my grandmother taught me when I was growing up as a teenager. She would give us, plates of food, and then we would run them over to so-and-so's house or this person's house because maybe they needed it. Our tagline is a restaurant with a heart. And it goes for the people that come here, the people that we're going to outreach to, and our employees. Try to treat everybody with love.
That's awesome. I really like that. Thank you, Kevin. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's like Cheers, but it's not a bar. Yeah. And if that's a good analogy.